Hi everyone, this is a lesson on how to create a playlist of your videos on YouTube. Let's try it. First, choose your video, select three dots, and save it to playlist. You can choose any playlist you want, or you can remove it from there. Let's make it back. If you want to create a new playlist, you just choose a video that you want to add in there. Let's try this one. Choose that, save to playlist, and add new playlist. Let's call it fat. Also, you can choose the visibility for that, private, public, or unlisted. Let's try to make that private and create. That's it. You can check it in playlists and we see the fat playlist. That's it. Thanks for watching.